Oh, I found out this part of my finger right here kept hitting this back arrow on it. Pause the video.
That makes more sense.
Okay, so guys, that is Marcy's target right there.
All right, I need you to get out of the way. I haven't done this in a while. So. Wait, there we go. I haven't been here in a while, but I still know how to do it. So let's just do it. Are you serious? Oh, wait, that's because I'm doing another set. Okay, I said I was experienced with the bow because I have actually had this since I was 3, but I haven't been out here in a while, so it's kind of flip-flopped.
Minute just got a minute long. I meant video.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, so close.
Well, at least I have 2 more arrows.
She went like right behind it. Okay, she has 2 more shots.
I need to shoot behind because I was aiming right at it and the wind's blowing.
Move!
I need to aim somewhat behind it. I aimed behind it!
And then there was no wind. Aim in front of it.
Alright.
Or just aim at it. Oh, yep, the wind
This
just
is
got
an
back.
old arrow, so I'm not sure if it's going to work.
Oh. Oops, I blocked it with my...
Alright.
Except that shot wasn't even very good.
Okay.
Where's tools? You said there was a bunch of tools up
There
here.
are. Hold on, let me get inside.
What is that for?
It's like a door lock.
That's a lock.
Okay. All the tools will be up
Do
here.
I
There's a saw.
close the door?
No, just leave it open.
Okay.
Because it gets really, really hot in here. Watch the ceilings if you see anything that kind of goes down.
Snake! Where? There! That's not a snake, that's a wire. Oh my god. No, that is a snake.
That right there?
Yes.
That wire?
Yeah.
That's not a snake.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Well, why do you say if anything's coming down? What do you mean?
No, I'm saying like if this is going downwards. If the insulation is going downwards.
The house is in very good shape. What the heck is that wire supposed to be? Looks like a snake.
It used to be a light.
This is creepy. I'm scared to walk.
There's not. Nothing's going to.
Ah.
Alright, there should be tools.
You grab the tools.
Do you need a... It ain't a screwdriver, it's like a saw thingy. But
Yeah.
it still works for that because I tried it and it works.
To scratch stuff off.
That's why
We use one of those things to take apart the playground.
Alright, I'm going to put my bow, I'm going to put my...
You can just throw it down.
I know, but I like taking care of my bow.
No,
My bow is
I
like
meant tool.
Oh. Just make sure you know where to land it.
Yep, I see it.
Well, it's kind of orange, too.
Is this the only way to get upstairs?
Yeah.
You have to go outside to climb upstairs.
Fly up there. Oh. One arrow is lost.
I know where all 3 arrows are.
But the tip of the arrow just came off. It's an old. Feel it. It's old. Not the tip, but just hold it. It's old.
Yep, sure is.
That's probably why it broke.
You don't even have the price tag off yet. The barcode.
Take one of those off the freaking arrow. It's right there behind you.
Can I scratch some parts off the RV? Can you give them like a tour around while I scratch some parts off the RV?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, here. Take the camera.
Put my stuff up.
Okay. so I can do whatever I want with that.
Yeah. It is completely broken down, and do whatever you want.
But don't electrocute myself, like stab this into the motor.
Yeah, the motor doesn't have anything whatsoever inside of it, and plus you wouldn't even need to use it. Do you need pliers?
Maybe.
I'm not gonna get them. I will. Anyway, guys, I know it's really blurry and it's really bad. It's probably because there's a lot of humidity. You want a saw?
No.
I can get you a saw. You don't really need that at all, either. And plus, that's not the best idea. You've already stepped on a nail. So, I know some good parts.
Oh yeah, that's something I was gonna tell them. Guys, you're probably wondering why I haven't made videos in a while. It's because I stepped on a nail.
He stepped on a nail during a movie.
No, sort of. I stepped on it during a movie.
Oh, look, here's a flashlight. Do you need a flashlight for anything? I mean, it doesn't work, but...
Yeah, I got the flashlight. Wait, what?
That's just a giant flashlight without any battery in
What
it.
is that?
Anyway,
Because I was watching a movie. And I was like, how about we go outside playing a game? I'm kind of tired of this movie. We walked outside, we were playing The Floor's Lava. And then, of course, Payne had to throw planks out and have the nails sticking out of him. He stepped right on it. Luckily, I had my flip-flop on.
yeah.
And Peyton didn't have shoes on, but he didn't step on. Can I climb up this ladder?
I wouldn't.
Can I?
You can, you just might fall and get killed. I mean, you could take the ladder off if it'll let you. That's what I mean. It's so rickety.
I need a screwdriver.
Oh my gosh. Okay, use the tip of that and then you might be able to get it off. I mean, unless it's a 4, which it should only be a 1.
What? Yeah, this won't fit.
Oh well, it's fine. Should I show them the backyard?
Did you?
No?
Yeah, you should show them.
Alright guys, this is... this is the backyard to my grandpa's house. There's also a back door. It's beautiful. And... what? That's old. That's old and dried up. Yep. That used to be my great grandpa's.
Oh, he was in the Marine?
Yeah.
Oh, my coach was too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. If we can open this, there might be stuff inside of it. Like Granny.
Like a granny?
Yeah.
Why would Granny be hiding in there?
No, I'm not saying like Granny is in there, but...
Then
okay.
maybe we could stab it open.
Maybe. I saw something. Hold on, guys. We'll be right back. All right, you hold the camera.
I
Just hold it.
We did it. Okay, now you hold the camera. I'll get the rest.
Okay. Just don't put your fingers in there in case there's anything in there that you really don't want. Try to lift the rest of it off. Since my grandpa doesn't use this anymore, it's been sitting here for at least since, how old am I? 10 years old. So it's been sitting here about 10 years. And one more actually, because it's been here before I was born. So it's been here quite a while, but after stuff starts to fall apart, it can be really useful.
Yeah, I need to use my fingers to get the rest of this up.
Okay. I'll do that since, you know. Okay. I can take the panel off.
Yeah.
Hold this like this.
Okay.
Hold the camera as well.
I can't.
Just drop that.
Sorry.
Oh, there's a tire in here. You need a tire?
Nice. Yeah, I'll get it. Can you like take it over here? There we go. Okay, now we can just lift that flap up. Is that a fidget spinner? What the heck?
Where?
I thought I saw like,
Bruh.
there's golf balls.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of golf balls. Better be expecting that. Okay, here, let me get this, because I cannot rip my fingers off right now.
Okay, try to pick the lock.
You know what?
That's one way to pick a lock. Just break back off. How are you using it as that hammer?
Okay,
Okay, you hold it. You hold the camera.
I mean, I can break it inwards. Here,
Yeah, got it.
oh, got the panel. Yeah, in it. Oh my gosh, there's a baby raccoon. Oh my gosh,
Wait, there's a what the what?
it's a baby raccoon.
Raccoons are evil.
There's a baby. Give me the camera.
Okay, show them.
And I need to
It's adorable.
You see him? You see him, guys? He's sitting right there. Make sure you don't see the mama. You see that mama? She will attack you.
Wait, there's a mama.
Yes, there's a raccoon. There's a mama. Oh my God.
Okay, guys.
Guys, this has really been an adventure. And do you want to keep videotaping this?
No.
We need evidence. Come on.
Yeah, guys.
So cute.
We're gonna make a. I just heard the raccoon. We're gonna make a video right after this because I need to see this footage.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a baby raccoon.
Okay, guys.
Baby raccoon.
Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. What the baby hippopotamus? What was that? I'm gonna end the video
I don't
here.
see the mama because if the mama was in there, she would have already came out and showed us that she was in there.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna end the video here. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And remember, stay super. We're recording something right after this.